Welcome back to Create with Maria. I'm Maria and this is Sophia, my sister. Today, we're going to be making these cute flapping butterflies. Look how cute they are. And I'm going to teach you how to make them. So, let's get started. So, first we're going to get a normal piece of paper. Let's open it, Sophia, so everybody can see. Normal piece of paper from a sketchbook or, Then you're going to fold an end and you're going to draw only one butterfly wing. We already drew it. Then we're going to be cutting it out, and while we folded it, so then when we cut it out, there's going to be two wings, right?
Yes.
So let's cut. Okay, now we have our butterfly wings. We are all ready to color. So we're going to get the scrap pieces of paper that we cut out. We're going to put our wings on top so we don't wreck and destroy our tables. And now you can use your paint markers or some pens, pencil crayons, whatever you want. Today, I'm going to be using these colorful pens and these paint markers. So which one are you going to pick?
This one.
Okay, so you can pick out a color. I'm gonna start with yellow and orange. And then you can start painting.
Green and pink.
You can draw whatever you want. Flowers, butterflies, even on a butterfly. Whatever you want. So now, Sophia decided to make kind of like a landscape, and I thought that was really cool. She did some grass, some flowers, and the sun. Look how cute it looks right now. It looks adorable, and it's gonna look even better when we're done. I just went for some cute flowers. Now, for the fun part. We're going to finish it off, but first, before we do that, we just have to finish her body. So let's get back our papers, and we're gonna use the black. And we're just gonna draw a little tiny body for her. And you can choose which size you Now, we have to cut it. A tip for when you're cutting small things is to make a rectangle or a square around the area that you're cutting. This prevents you from not having to spin the paper around so many times. So I'm done mine. Mine's a little body. Now Sophia's gonna do hers. To help you. After we're done, we're gonna grab some tape, clear tape. If you have a thinner strip, that would be great, but I only have this one right now, so we're gonna make this work. We're gonna grab a piece of tape, cut here, I'm gonna make two thin strips. It doesn't have to be that perfect. There you go. And now let's bring our butterflies closer to us. Now we're going to be taping. After you're done, it's gonna look like this. Now we're going to place it with our coloring part down to the table. Now I'm going to be cutting two 4 strips of paper. And this is going to be the part that you can close, and then it becomes the butterfly's wings open and shut. Now you have 2 strips. As you can see, one of them we're going to wrap around our finger really gently, like that. After you have done one loop, you're just gonna hold it like that. And I'm gonna get the tape. After I'm done with Sophia, I'm gonna do mine. And close it all together. You can use glue for this part. Now I'm gonna do mine. I'm gonna wrap around my finger, get it close enough, and then we're going to chop the end. Wrap around and tape. After you're done with this part, we're going to get our butterflies. So get your butterfly. And we're going to put this part right in the middle where her body is. And then we're gonna use the tape that's on the edge that is holding nothing. We're gonna wrap around. Just really gently. So it's gonna look like this, kind of like a ring. The tape is holding our finger. After you're done this part, we're going to get our other strip, fold it in half, like that, so it can open and close. And we're going to fold the bottom parts just a little bit, tiny, tiny bit. So it's gonna look like this. Does it look like that, Sophia? You need help? This is fun, right?
Yes.
Okay, now that you're ready, you're gonna almost unfold the parts that we just folded. So it can stand up. If it can stand up, you're doing great. Now, for the final part, we're gonna put every single thing together. These parts here, we're going to put almost touching the little loop that we did. And then we're going to put a small amount of tape to glue it all together. I'm just gonna divide this into 4. 1, 2. It's okay if it's not perfect. 2. Now I'm gonna glue mine, or tape mine. Align it just at the right point. Then tape. Do the same thing on the other side. Make sure you did all the parts. So now it looks like this, right?
Yes.
With the bottom part like this. Kind of like an ice cream cone. Now we stick it on our finger. And we're going to use our thumb to push the triangle. And your wings flap. It looks amazing. And that's the end of this Create with Maria video. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed. Give us a big thumbs up, like our video, and please subscribe to our channel. Create with Maria is rooting for you. Bye!